Yes, good morning friends. How are you all? Fine, very good. Welcome back to online classes. That is, we are dealing with constructions. So in the last class, I have given all things about the construction, geometrical instruments, and how to construct angles, how to bisect the angle, how to bisect the sides like that. Okay, na? So today we are going to construct one by one. So you should be ready with your geometrical weapons. Whatever I am doing, you should do it. Okay? It is live show. Clear? Right. Now see, first problem, quadrilateral ABCD. Always you should draw rough figure. However it may be. A, B, C, D. AB how much? 4.5 centimeters. BC 5.5 centimeters, CD 4 centimeters, AD 6 centimeters, and AC 7 centimeters. Okay, na? Yes. Whichever base you want, you can take. Now I will take AB as base. Okay, na? Start with AB fast. Be quick. AB 4.5 centimeters. Clear? With the ruler, not with the compass or anything. Afterwards. Now, A to C, how much is there? 7 centimeters. Take your compass. Take your compass fast. Now take 7 centimeter as radius. Keep on one end on A and draw an arc like this. Did you understand? Yes. Now, AC over, AB over, BC is there. BC how much it is? 5.5. Take your compass again. Take 5.5 centimeter radius, keep on B and cut this arc. That's all. This point is known as A. Now join AC and BC. Did you understand? Oh. Now this triangle part over. Now remaining one more part is there. Now A to D how much is there? 6 centimeters. Take 6 centimeter radius. Fast with the with the compass, keep one end on A and draw an arc like this. Afterwards, CD, that is take 4 centimeter as radius, keep on C and cut this arc. It is nothing but D. Now join CD and AD over. Therefore, this is nothing but our required quadrilateral ABCD. Do you understand? I'll tell one more time. You see, AB equal to 4.5, BC 5.5, CD 4 centimeters, and AD is 6 centimeters AC. First, you draw AB by taking 4.5 centimeters. Afterwards, with the compass, take 7 centimeter radius. Keeping on A, draw an arc. Now, by taking 5.5 centimeter, by keeping on B, cut that arc so that the both intersection will be C point. Now, join CA and CB. Next, AB take 6 centimeter as radius. Keep on one end on A, draw an arc. Afterwards, take 4 centimeter. Take 4 centimeter with the compass. Keep sharp edge on C and cut that previous arc. Now that point intersection of point of intersection is known as, name the point as D. Now join CD and DA, and this is nothing but our required quadrilateral. Did you understand? Yes? Yeah. One more problem we'll see. Very simple problem. Yes, again quadrilateral only. Jump, JUMP. JUMP. Okay, na? What is JU equal to? 3.5 UP 6.5 UM 4.5 MP 5 centimeters. Next PJ 4.5 centimeter. Already I told you to construct a quadrilateral. How many elements required? 5 elements. In one more question they may ask you. The elements required to construct a quadrilateral 2, 3, 4, 5. So you fellows may ask quadrilateral is 4 only, so you will take 4. It is not correct. So how many you want? Yes, 5 you want. Right now I told you always in constructions you should draw rough figure. Now we start from A, B and CD. Sorry, it is nothing but J, U, M and P. Now JU is 3.5 centimeter. UP, okay, how much is there? 6.5 centimeters. UM 4.5 centimeters. MP 5 centimeters and PJ 4.5 centimeters. That's all. Now whichever base you want you can take. Which base you will take? Okay, MU will take or JU will take? Okay, JU only will take. Now start by drawing JU. How many centimeters? 3.5 centimeters. Draw a line segment of 3.5 centimeters. Okay, now join. Now you do one thing. JP, how much is there? 4.5. Take compass, take 4.5 radius and keep one end on this and draw an arc like this. Afterwards, UP, how much is there? 6.5. Take 6.5 as radius. By keeping one end on U, cut this arc over. This is nothing but P. Okay. Now join PJ and PU over. That means what? PJU, this part over. Now this part only remaining. Very very simple. Now you do one thing. PJ, how many centimeters is there? 5 centimeters. Take 5 centimeter arc. Keep on one end and draw like this. Afterwards, UM, how much it is there? 4.5. Take 4.5 radius, keep on one end and draw like this. Over. So this is nothing but our M. Therefore, 5 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters, 6.5 centimeters, 4.5 centimeters. Okay, na? Yes, that means what? It is jump over. So this is the rough diagram and this is fair diagram. Did you understand? So you have to do like this. Okay? Please take down. Next problem will go. Yes, after two quadrilaterals, now one more is parallelogram more. So first you draw rough diagram. You know that parallelogram how it will be? Yes, it will be like this. This is rough diagram. M O R E. That's all. M O R E. Okay. Okay. O R how much? 6 centimeters. R E 4.5 centimeters. E O how much? 7.5. ER is 4.5 means this is also 4.5. OR 6 means this is also 6 centimeters. Okay na? Indirectly he has given 3 but indirectly he has given 5 only for this. Okay na? Very very simple how to construct. Anything you can take. Okay. I will take EM. Yes. EM. How many centimeters EM? 6 centimeters. Now MO. Okay na? Or EO will take. EO how much will come? Yes. It is 7.5, therefore it will come like this. Next MO, how much is there? Yes, 4.5. From here, just draw like this. Now join. Okay na? Next. ER how much? 4.5. OR how much? This point is which? EMO. OR how much? For OR, yes. This is R, no? E, yes. MOR, yes, right. Now OR how much? 6 centimeters. Just do like this. Oh. Yes. So this is nothing but MOR. MO how much? 4.5. OE. This is ER. ER 4.5. And next RO. RO 6 centimeters. Like this. So this is nothing but our parallelogram. Therefore, actually, in the parallelogram, like this also they may give, or one more is there. How to construct a parallelogram? Yes, he may give this side and this side or any one angle also he will give. Because in parallelogram we know that opposite sides are equal. For example, if it is x means this is also x. If it is y means this is also y. If it is 40 degrees or 70 degrees, then it will be 110. It will be 110. It will be 70 degrees like this. Okay, na? So these are the properties of parallelogram. See, construction will not be done simply by the by the knowledge of their properties. We can construct very easily. Now understood now? This is parallelogram. Very easy now. Yes. Very good. Next problem. Construction is chapter is very important. Please practice. You can see my video and you can pause and you can see. There is no problem. Next one is rhombus best. Rhombus best. BE 4.5. Next, ET 6. Right. Now very simple. First you draw rough diagram, then it will be easy. Best, BEST. First one BE how much? 4.5 centimeters. ET. This is also one more diagonal. 6 centimeters. That means what? He has given two diagonals for us. We have to construct this. Very simple. Okay? First you take any one. Okay? Take 6 centimeters. What is 6 centimeters? ET. ET. How much? 6 centimeters. We know that in a rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Right angles means what? Yes? 90 degrees. Now bisect it. Take more than half here also and here also and here also. Over. Therefore, this is nothing but BE. BE how much is there? 4.5. 4.5 means all BE. All sides are equal or not? Yes. Now you do one thing. From here 4.5 centimeters you cut like this. From here almost like this. Here also cut over. Therefore, this is nothing but our required rhombus. BEST. Which is this? Which figure? Rhombus. See? Rhombus. Here also 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Everything is 90 degrees only. Because we know the properties of rhombus, so it is very easy to construct. Otherwise, it is not possible. Did you understand? Yes, take down fast. Yes, come to next set of problems. In that one problem, in the first exercise, we have done only 4 sides, 1 diagonal. Now here if you observe 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Okay na? when you draw rough diagram, you will come to know what he has given. This is lift LIFT. LI 4 centimeters, IF 3 centimeters, TL 2.5 centimeters, LF 4.5 centimeters, IT 4 centimeters. That means what? TF not given, there is no problem. Okay na? Yes. According to what given measurements, like that only we should go. We are not supposed to take TF as base because there is no measurement only. Okay na? If you take another measurement also, we have to see. There is no problem. Okay na? I will take LI as base. LI 4 centimeters. With the help of ruler. With the help of your ruler. Next. Now LF how much is there? 4.5. Take your compass. 4.5 centimeters you take radius. Keep one end on L and draw like this. How much it is? 4.5. Next, IF how much is there? 3 centimeters. Take again compass. Take 3 centimeters and cut this arc. Oh, this cut means like this. It will be like this. It is nothing but F. Okay na? Right. Next, LT how much is there? 2.5. 2.5 means yes, like this. Next, IT how much is there? 4.5. From here you draw 4.5. Yes. Now it is nothing but T. Now join TF. 4, 3, 2.5. Here there is no need of anything. Okay na? So like this you can draw a quadrilateral by giving 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Okay na? Next problem. Yes, I think so problems are very easy. Just to practice, that's all. When you practice, automatically they come, right? One more problem, quadrilateral gold. OL, GL, GD, LD, OD, 7.5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 10 centimeters. Oh. Now this is very simple problem. If you draw rough diagram, you will come to know gold GOLT. Now OL is 7.5 centimeters. GL, where is GL? This is the word GL, 6 centimeters. Next GD, 6 centimeters. LD, 5 centimeters. Now OD, LD over. Now OD, 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters. Now how to construct this? Tell me anyone. Which will take base? Base we should take. This is not possible. Okay na? Because here there is no connection. If you take this, okay. Right up? Now take DL. How many centimeters? 5 centimeters. DG. How much is the DG? Or you can take yes, LO 7.5. LO or DG. DG how much is there here? DL. TL we have done 5 centimeters. Now DG. DG how much? Yes. DG how much? 6 centimeters. Take compass and draw like this. DG. DG. But at the same time, LG also is there. LG how much it is? 6. Both intersect. Yes. This is nothing but DG. Okay na? Now what is remaining? What is remaining now? O point is remaining. LO. LO how much? 7.5. It is 7.5. DO 10. From here 10 centimeters. This is O. Therefore GO LD. LD how much? 5. LO 7.5. DO 10 centimeters. Okay na? GL 5. GL 6 centimeters. Next, yes, 5, 6, one more 6 centimeters. Okay na? Like this. Okay na? Any doubt? So here 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Yes, next problem. Next exercise, exercise 3. Quadrilateral board. Here first time we are drawing the angles. Okay na? First you draw rough diagram. M-O-R-E. More. Angle M is 60 degrees. Angle D is angle O is 105. Angle R is 105. MO 6 centimeters. OR 4.5 centimeters. Yes. Now, this angle we don't know, we can find out because some of the angles in the quadrant is 360. Therefore, how can we find out? 360 minus 60 to 105 plus 105 to 10. 210 plus 60 to 70. Therefore, 0 and this is 90. Therefore, what is the angle? 90. Now, 4 angles we have and 2 sides we have. We can draw very easily. Okay na? Shall we draw? Yes. How to draw? Tell me first. Which sides will you take? Yes? Which sides will you take? So first we will take MO. Okay na? How much it is? MO. Right. You take MO. First MO. MO how many centimeters? 6 centimeters. MO. What is the angle of M? 60. 60 means how to take? Take half circle. Divide this into 3 equal parts. First part is nothing but 60 degrees. Next angle O. Angle O same. Yes. Yes. This is 90. And if you do for length, it will become, yes, it is nothing but 105. How much it is there here? 4.5. OR is how much? 4.5. Cut here. This is R. Now, here we have to construct 105. Again, yes, 2 parts, 2 parts. 105 means it will come like this. So, MORE, where it will join, that is nothing but the E. Okay? So, this is 4.5. MORE. This is the required quadrilateral. Okay na? Yes. One more. I hope you are understanding now. Yes, you do like so, then you will understand. Don't think that the sir will explain and afterwards I will do. No. Okay. One more. Quadrilateral plan. PLA plan. PL is 4 centimeter. LA 6.5 centimeter. Angle P 90 degrees, angle A 110 degrees, angle M 85 degrees. Over. Now plan PL, LA, angle P, angle A and angle M. Over. First you draw rough diagram, quadrilateral PLAN plan. PL is 4 centimeter, angle LA 6.5 centimeters, angle P 90 degrees, angle A 110 degrees, angle M 85 degrees. So if you have taken like this, it is not possible to construct. Okay na? If you take base, there is no angle here. Or if you take base, here there is no angle. So three angles here is given. So fourth angle we can find out very easily because the sum of the four angles is 360. Therefore, angle L is equals to what happened? 360 minus 110 plus 90, 200, 285. So 5, 16, 15 means 7. Yes? 75. Yes. 285. Therefore, what is this angle? 75 degrees. Now we can draw very simple. First you take PL. How many centimeters? 4 centimeters. Angle P, yes, 90 degrees. Like this. Next, angle L, 75. 75 means first semicircle dividing into 3 parts. Afterwards like this. This is nothing but 100. Now 70 means from here to here, that is half. Yes. Now half means out of how much? 6.5. From here you cut 6.5. This is nothing but E. After cutting 6.5, you can draw like this. How many degrees? Yes, 110. Again bisect like this. This is nothing but, yes. Yes, this is nothing but 90. 90 means 110. 110 means more than that. So it will be like this. So P L A M. This is This is 105 degrees. Okay na? Now 100% it is 85 degrees. So this is nothing but the plan. P L A M. Understood? No? Clear? Any doubt is there? Pakka? Okay. Next one, parallelogram. Yes. In this parallelogram, here HE 5 centimeters, EA 6 centimeters, angle R 85 degrees. Now before only I told you can give two sides and one angle also you can find out. Okay na? Now draw a diagram. Yes, very simple. Yes, it is nothing but here HEAR. HE is 5 centimeter, EA is 6 centimeter. Therefore, this also means 5. This is also 6. And angle R is 85. This is 85 with this is also 85. This is 85 with this. Or not? Yes, 95. Okay, 95. 95 with this is also 95. Now, whichever base you want, you can take. Whichever angle you want, you can take. Right? Because one angle is given, you can take any one. Okay, HE only will take. First draw HE. HE 5 centimeters. Afterwards, 95 degrees and 85 they are not multiples of 15. Therefore, keep the protractor here. 95. 90 means like this. 95 means yes like this. Next 85. 85 means this is 90 and this is like this. Okay na? From here to here 6. Again from here to here 6. Therefore, HEAR. It is nothing but a parallelogram. Okay na? Parallelogram. Next. Rectangle, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, 7 centimeters. KA 5 centimeters. Here. But here he has given only 2 means indirectly he has given 5 elements. Not only 5 elements, again 2 plus 4, 6 elements he has given. Okay na? So how he has given, you see. Rectangle means you know that opposite sides are equal and all angles are equal. Okay. OKAY. Okay na? Now okay how much? 7 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters. Not given means what is the angle of, what is the angle? Yes, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90. It is 7 means this also 7, it is 5 means this also 5. Indirectly he has given all the measurements. Now take OK. How many centimeters? 7 centimeters. Now construct 90 degrees on the both sides. Now cut it. Again cut it. Yes, like this. Like this. Okay na? Now how many centimeters from O to Y? It is 5. Here also 5. Okay. Therefore, AY 7 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters. And this is 90, 90, 90 and okay na? Very simple rectangle means yes. So next exercise. Yes, next set of problems. Coordinate will be here. D equal to 4 centimeter, EA 5 centimeters, AR 4.5 centimeter, angle E 60, angle A 90 degrees. Okay na? Very very simple. First you draw rough diagram, then you will understand. D, E, A, D how much? 4, EA 5, AR 4.5. Now angles, one angle E 60 degrees and one angle A 90 degrees. Therefore, which base we have to take? Yes, anyone? We should take D as base or AE as base or AR as base or RD as base. RD not possible because he has not given anything. If you take RA also, one side is no measurement. If therefore we should take AE as yes. Now take EA. EA how many centimeters? 5 centimeters. Angle A, angle E. Angle E how much is there? 60 degrees. Cut into 3 parts. The first part is nothing but 60 degrees. Now here 90 degrees. Cut like this. Oh, this is 90 degrees. Okay. Now E to D. How much is there? 4 centimeter. From here you cut 4 centimeter. Oh. Again. A to R, how much is there? 4.5. 4.5 means like this. Over. So E, this is D, and this is R. Okay, na? Now BEAR, this is like this. 90 degrees, 4.5, and 4 centimeters. Okay, na? Very simple, no? See the difference. This is the real construction. This is only rough figure. So the difference between real and yes, duplicate is like this one. Okay, na? Here it is rougher, not duplicate, rougher, and it is as per the measurements. Okay, na? If you draw, you will get perfectly. This also for me rough diagram only. Just I am putting approximately. Okay, na? Right. Next problem. Yes, one more quadrilateral, it is true. Again, rough diagram. Rough diagram only will give exact figure. True, TR 3.5, RU 3, UE 4, angle R 75, angle U 120. Over. So again same problem. So we will take a RU as base. Now take RU as base or U. How many centimeters? 3 centimeters. Now angle R. Angle R means what I told? Yes. Immediately you should draw semicircles. Now 60 means 75. No, it will not come. First we have to go for 175. 105 means it will be like this. That's all. 75. No, it is sorry. 75 means yes. It is 75. Next, there 120. Here. Directly can go 120. Yes. RU. RT how much is there? 3.5. 3.5 means you cut. This is nothing but T. Now UE how much is there? 4. 4 is there means like this. Okay. Now join this is nothing but E. Okay na? Okay. TRUE. This is 4 centimeters and this is 3.5 centimeters. Okay na? So this is nothing but 2. TRUE is 2. Okay na? Right. Yes, last set of problems. The first one is square read RE equal to 5.5. Yes, first we draw rough diagram, then you will understand. Read or E, A, D, or E is 5.1. This also 5.1. 5.1, 5.1. Angle 90. This also 90, this also 90, this also 94. So very simple. Okay na? First you draw RE. How many centimeters? 5.1 centimeters. Now 90 degrees we have to draw. Therefore both the sides you draw semicircles. After semicircles you have to do 90 degrees. Cut into 2 parts, cut into 3 parts. Next like this and next like this. Oh. This is 5.1 mm. This is also 5.1 mm. Therefore cut like this and cut like this. Oh. Read READ. 5.1, 5.1 and 5.1. So this is the square reed. Okay na? Any doubt? Next we will see rhombus. Yes, rhombus is very simple. First take. Yes. Anything A, B, C, D. Diagonals, one is 5.2 centimeter and second one is 6.2. Yes, we know that in rhombus the diagonals bisect each other at right angles. Right angle means what? The angles between them is yes 90 degrees. Okay na? Take any one. I will take 5.2. Sorry, 5.2, that is AC. Now bisect this. Bisect means taking more than half. Here also more than half. Right? Right. Oh. Now, this 6.4 is there one more diagonal. 6.4 bisect means what? Divided by 2. It is nothing but 3.2 centimeters. Therefore, you do one thing, from here 3.2, from here 3.4. Now join this. Yes, 3.2, 3.2 and here 2.6, 2.6. So this is the required rhombus. Okay, any doubt? Yes. And the third one, rectangle 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. So very simple, rectangle 5 centimeters and 4 centimeters. Anyone you take? P, Q, R, S. Okay, na? Very simple. First take QR. How many centimeters? 5 centimeters. Yes. What is the angles? What is the angles? What about the angles? 90, 60, 70, 50, how much? Yes, 90 because 90 into 4 is nothing but 360 only. Therefore, in square and in rectangle, all the angles are equal to 90. Therefore, make three parts and next like this and next like this over. It is a rectangle from here to here 4 centimeter, from here to here 4 centimeter. That's all. Therefore, Q, P, Q, R, S. 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, and it is 90. It is 90. Okay, na? This is the rectangle. Any doubt, please? Yes. This academics last problem, 2020-21 academic years, last problem, parallelogram. Okay, super problem, very important problem. O K A Y. So here he has given 5.5 centimeters, K is 4.2 centimeters. Now, is it possible to construct? You tell me first of all. And he has asked, is it unique? It is not unique because only two sides given, angles are not given or diagonals are not given. Therefore, we can do one thing. Here one angle will take. Consider any angle. For example, we take 60. That's all. One you may take 75, you may take 80, you may take 40, you may take 45, you may take 30. Like that, understood? Because 1 is 60 means what happened? This is also 60. And what about this? 120. This is 120. Automatically it will come out. Okay na? Shall we draw? Yes. Very simple. Draw first OK as 5.5 centimeters. Okay. Next, I will take here 60 degrees and here I will take 120 degrees like this. Yes, this will be like this and this will be like this. Now very simple. Now see, here to here how much is there? 4.2. Here also 4.2. Okay, na? OKAY. It will be 100% 120 degrees and it will be 60 degrees. And he is asking, is it unique? No. It is not unique. Okay, na? Okay. By this, we completed our syllabus. Thank you everyone for cooperating me. With your cooperation only, I completed my syllabus. Yes, thank you one and all. Any doubts you have, any problems you have,